The size of a raw mango shrinks to a much smaller size when kept in a concentrated salt solution. Oh, so we are making pickles over here. So when there is a concentrated salt solution outside, the skin will behave the skin of the mango will behave as a semi-permeable membrane. So the solvent inside will try to move from lesser concentrated solution to more concentrated solution, and that is osmosis, right. So this can be explained on the basis of osmosis. Next question. So let us look at question number 11. Match the type of interaction in column A with the distance dependence of their interaction energy in column B. See dear friends, over here he is asking about interaction energy and not electrostatic force of attraction. Okay. So we are not going to derive this interaction energy part, we will simply be using the text as per the NCERT book, right. Now as per that book, we are given that the ion-ion interaction is directly proportional to 1 by R, or you can say inversely proportional to R. The dipole-dipole interaction is inversely proportional to the third power of the distance between the two, and the London dispersion force is inversely proportional to the sixth power of R, right. So ion-ion inversely proportional to R, dipole-dipole inversely proportional to R cube, London dispersion force inversely proportional to R6, and I repeat, this is as per the NCERT book. You do not require to do the derivation. Also he is asking about interaction energy and not electrostatic force of attraction, right dear friends. So 1 goes with A, 2 goes with C, and 3 goes with D. So the right answer is 4th, 1 goes with A, 2 with C, and 3 with D, right. Let us have a look at the next question. The one that is not expected to show isomerism is. See my dear friends, isomerism in case of coordination compound is of two types that we study: structural, one second, the stereoisomerism. Now when you talk about the stereoisomerism, it can be either geometrical or it can be optical, right. Now which compound will not show isomerism at all? We are talking about at all, right. Let us look at the first question. Don't you think this is of the type of Ma2B2, right. Also if you try to find out the hybridization over here, you will get the hybridization as DsP2, which means that the molecule is planar, square planar so to say, and it will show the cis trans isomerism, right. Now in the second case, see, you are not given any ion outside, there is so you cannot have the structural isomerism over here, right. You cannot talk about the linkage, you cannot talk about the coordination isomerism, you cannot talk about the hydrate isomerism or the coordination isomerism, right. So let us not talk about structural, now let us talk about the geometrical or optical isomerism. Now over here, as you can see, nickel is in 2+ state and none of the ligands are strong. So basically you are going to get the sp3d2 hybridization. Okay, fine. Now for sp3d2 hybridization with Ma4b2 structure, you can have the geometrical isomerism. Okay. The third one, NiEn whole thrice 2+. See, in this case also you will be having the sp3d2 hybridization, and you can talk about the optical isomerism in this particular case. What about the fourth one? You see over here there is no charge basically being shown on the nickel. So it is 4s2 3d8, right. And over here basically nickel is in +2 state. See, this is -2 state. So what is the electronic configuration? 4s0 3d8. These two are weak field ligands. So the structure that you will be getting will be having tetrahedral geometry. Now tetrahedral geometry is not showing the geometrical isomerism. Tetrahedral is not showing the optical isomerism. As you see, the ligands are same, and it will also not show the structural isomerism. So the correct answer is option number 4. So, you see this is I should say a very good question. If you want to keep it in the tough category, yes, you can keep it. The idea is that first of all you need to know what is isomerism, then you need to know the hybridization, then you need to know the geometry of the molecule. So, all that information they have asked in one question. So, very good question, so to say.